One of the greatest gifts in life is the ability to dream beyond our current situation. Many people think, how can I dream of success when I have nothing in my hands? But what they forget is this: your present condition does not define your future. Think about it. A diamond is nothing but carbon until it goes through fire and pressure. On the outside, it looks ordinary, but when it endures the struggle, it shines so bright that people treasure it forever. Sadly, in today's world, most people stop dreaming too early. Society, relatives, even friends tell them to be realistic. And slowly, the fire inside them begins to fade. But today's story is for anyone who has ever been told, you cannot do it. Listen carefully, because this story will remind you of the power that lives within you. In a small countryside town lived a boy named Ethan. His family was so poor that most days his pockets were empty. His shoes were torn, his backpack was falling apart, and some nights he went to bed without dinner. But Ethan carried something inside him that no one could see: his dream. He wanted to rise above poverty and change his family's destiny. Whenever he shared his dream, people laughed. They said, a boy with nothing in his pockets should not think of big things. Just focus on earning your next meal. Their words hurt him deeply, but inside, Ethan believed that his future was not limited by his current struggles. One evening, while sitting alone near a riverbank, Ethan met a kind old teacher named Mr. Williams. Seeing his sad face, Mr. Williams asked gently, "Why do you look so troubled, my child?" Ethan replied, "Everyone says I cannot achieve anything great because I am poor. They say my dreams are too big for a boy with nothing in his hands." Mr. Williams smiled and handed him a small mirror. "Look into it," he said. Ethan stared. "I see myself," he whispered. "Do you see the pain in your eyes?" asked Mr. Williams. Ethan nodded slowly. "Now look deeper. Do you see the fire behind that pain?" For the first time, Ethan noticed it, something strong and unshakable staring back at him. Mr. Williams said softly, "That fire is your belief. Most people ignore it and give up. But if you protect it, feed it with discipline and courage, it will light your path even on the darkest nights. People will try to cover your mirror with dust, telling you you're not good enough. But every action you take, every step you move forward, will clean that mirror and remind you of who you truly are." That moment changed Ethan. He held the mirror close to his heart and decided to work harder than ever. From that day on, he read every book he could find. He learned new skills, practiced writing, and studied late into the night while others slept. In the mornings, he attended school. In the evenings, he worked at a small coffee shop to earn money. On weekends, he helped a local mechanic to gain practical knowledge. He gave up sleep, comfort, and even food sometimes, but he never gave up on his dream. Years passed. Ethan started a tiny phone repair stall in his town. With patience and persistence, he saved every dollar. That stall became a shop. The shop grew into multiple outlets. Later, he launched his own brand of mobile accessories. The same townspeople who once mocked him now stood in line, asking for his guidance. His mother finally received proper medical care. His father no longer had to break his back doing hard labor. One day, Mr. Williams visited him. Ethan welcomed him with deep gratitude. Mr. Williams smiled and said, "The world tells poor boys to dream small, but those who dare to dream big rewrite their story. You are living proof that success is not measured by the money in your pocket, but by the vision in your heart. Always remember, your dreams are your mirror. Protect them, feed them, let them guide you." If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope. Subscribe for more inspiring success stories. And remember, your journey to greatness begins the moment you dare to dream big. Start today.